Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard Valorant. Riot Vanguard is the crucial anti-cheat system that ensures fair play in Valorant. You cannot launch or play Valorant without it running correctly. The good news is that Vanguard is not a separate download. It comes bundled with the Valorant game itself. We will walk through the simple steps to get both installed and ready for action. Your first step is to head to the official Valorant website. There, you will find the option to download the Riot client. Once downloaded, run the installer for the Riot client. After installation, either log in with your existing Riot Games account or create a new one. With the client open and you logged in, select Valorant and begin the game installation process. As Valorant finishes installing, or upon your very first launch of the game, the Riot client will automatically detect if Vanguard is missing or needs an update. You will see a prompt to install Riot Vanguard. Simply click to confirm and proceed. After Vanguard completes its download and installation, a critical step is to restart your computer. This restart is essential for Vanguard's system-level security services to properly activate. After restarting, you can verify Vanguard is active by looking for its small shield icon in your system tray. If you encounter any issues, try running the Riot client as an administrator. Sometimes, security software like antivirus or firewalls can interfere, so temporarily disabling them might help. Also, always ensure your operating system and graphics drivers are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.